Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to prepare a document for signing and send it out to its recipients. For this task, we can either pick the WeSign option or the TheySign option on your homepage. The only difference is whether you are a part of the signing process or not, but regardless on which one you pick, you can still add or remove yourself later. So I'll just go with the TheySign option and upload a document. And now I'll be taken to the page where I add recipients and set their tasks. So the first thing you'll see is just a blank name bar, and when you click on it, the first option will be add me, so I can add myself and or remove myself if my name is already there. For this purpose, I'll say that I'm part of the signing process, and then I'll go on to add more recipients. To add a single recipient, you just click on the add recipient button and a new name bar will appear, and from there you can just pick a name from the list or type in their email address. There is also an option to set a signing order. When I set the signing order to yes, I'll be able to pick whoever signs it first, second, third, and the recipients will receive the document one at a time, as opposed to when I turn the signing order off, all of the recipients will just receive the document at the same time. So for now, I'll set the signing order to yes, and I can add more recipients, or I can also add a group. Here I can select multiple recipients to basically form a group of sorts, and everyone who is added as a member of the group that I just created will receive the document at the same time, regardless of whether the signing order is on or off. I can also choose whether I need all of the members of the group to sign the document, or whether it's enough if just one of these people signs it, and then the signing process will move on to the next recipient. So as we can see in our order, I will first sign the document. After I've done so, it will go to Anne Smith, and after she's signed it, it will go to the group of these three people. Maybe they all have the same position within the company, same authority, so it is enough if just one of them signs it, and then the signing process will be finished. I can also add viewers, which works kind of like CCing someone in an email. Whoever is added as a viewer will only receive the document as a read-only copy, and they're not a part of the signing process. They'll just receive the document to look at it, and they will not be able to sign it or do anything else with it. You can add as many viewers as you want, and these people are excluded from the signing order. After I've picked all the recipients and set their roles, I'm ready to go to the next step, so I'll go next. Now we are in the step where I can add my signature, prepare the signature fields for all the recipients, and place lots of different other fields on the document that me or any of the recipients can fill in. Right now, I've selected myself, so I will first add my signature and also place my name and title. And when I'm done with my fields, I switch the recipient in the sidebar and prepare the fields for Anne Smith. I'll place the field for her signature and also add her name and title, which she can enter herself, and then I'll move on to the group. Since there is only one signature required from this group, all the fields that I place represent the group, and whoever is going to end up signing the document will enter their details and place their signature. So since we don't know who is signing, they will need to enter their name and also their job title. And now we have prepared all the fields, so we can go to the next step. So this is the last step before sending the document out. We can see all the recipients that are going to be receiving our document. We have the option to write them a message. And we can also set a processing deadline for this document, which is the date before which the signing process has to finish. Otherwise, all the recipients will lose access to the document and the signing process will fail. So since it's quite a lot of people, we'll set it to 2 weeks. And we can also add an extra level of security so that only the intended recipients will be able to access the documents either through password, text message, or email. I will choose the email verification option and save. And we can also set reminders. I can choose to send an automatic reminder every few days to all the recipients who haven't processed the document yet. So If I pick first reminder after 3 days and remind every 3 days, whoever is next in line to sign the document will receive a reminder every 3 days. I can also give the recipients the option to add annotation if they were to reject the document instead of signing it, so that they can explain better why they couldn't sign it. So I will set this to yes as well. And now we are ready to send it out. So we just click finish and we're done. Since I'm the first in line, I can now go and sign the document, otherwise I will start receiving reminders pretty soon. But that's it. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!